coming up right this moment,
yes,
we have the power pick. It is MSA.
Got it, man. Got it.
This
Blizzard, got it.
Original pieces
Look at
of moissanite that we brought you. This ring is outstanding. I don't think this ring has ever been on air.
Look, people, we're in Blizzard. The snow squall's coming through.
Never had this in a visit.
It was snowing harder than this a few minutes ago.
This is in every visit. Yeah.
everybody's loving it. It's a low profile, so if you're in the healthcare industry, whatever.
Grams.
We look at the internet, people. This thing's like a thunderstorm in summertime.
You to get your phone
BQ Thunderhead going up in the sky.
Coming up right now.
50-mile-an-hour
Here
winds.
it is. Take a look. And right now, here it is. In all sizes, this is why you have to shop quickly. $470 estimated retail. We are bringing this to you under $400, under $300 with the warranty. Scientifically proven.
Wow. This is almost like Boston's been getting already got turn-bait coating already, forecasting up to an inch out of this squall.
That you missed yesterday on the suspended pendant. I did not see that, so I don't have access to that.
If you go to the program recap, if you go to the show, will it show you the items that were in the show?
It should.
From midnight till 2 a.m. this morning with Mandy, it should be in there.
It's like it might be picking up again, folks. Maybe intensifying again.
Charles and I have another show tomorrow from 2 to 4, but it is a sales show. Everything is on sale in that show.
This is cool.
This item right now, as the power pick, it is not going to be in there with the quantity that is flying out the door right now. 5 more just sold. There's only 4.